So my friend, this is Amit. As rank of bit Manipal has been announced now. So here I am with a complete counseling process, step by step, how you need to do. One mistake and your rank will be wasted. That's why here I am to provide you the best counseling process, guidance also on the screen. You can check the number. If you want my guidance, you can contact me as soon as possible so that I will guide you properly. That is for paid guidance only. So here is the information. Once you go to BTech, then they will provide you the complete schedule and different thing also. So here you can log in also, Manipal application number and password. Thereafter you will able to check your rank, and registration you can do by paying 10,000, and thereafter you can do the choice filling. So how it will be done, here is the information, complete information I would like to provide you. That is, there is 5 campus this year: Manipal, Sikkim, Jaipur, Bengaluru and Dubai campus also. That is international campus. So here is the information. I know each and everything because I'm doing it for last 7 years. So but for you I am just showing you, there is some instruction they have given. And participating institute, as I told you, 5 campus, and number of branches available. Here you can check in Jaipur 2 to 4, 5, 7, 8 to 10 branches available. In Bangalore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 branches available, and more 7 branches available. So there are multiple options available. So some branches are available in 2+2 program, that is 2 year in India, 2 year in outside India. So most of the branches are available in MIT Manipal, that is main campus. Second is Bangalore, third is Jaipur and Sikkim. In Jaipur I can provide you direct admission also. For that also you can contact me. So now the main thing is here how to do eligibility criteria. 10+2 mark sheet already you have uploaded, then only you have got the rank. As 50% weightage of that is board score. And here also they have mentioned 50% should be in mathematics and English. And thereafter optional subject belongs to chemical, civil, computer, electrical, mechanical domains, anything. Counseling round 1 to 4, online round 4 round will be done initially, and online registration is permitted at the beginning of each round. After Before each round you can register. Now if you miss first round you can register before second round. If you miss second round also you can register third round. It is not like VIT counseling you will miss. You can do last round directly also. And as per the MET rank, availability of vacancy and choice. So counseling portal, here it is, counseling portal, as already they have provided. Here is the schedule, that is the main thing. First, fresh choice filling has been started from today, from 3rd June and to 6th June. Processing of seat allotment will be done from 7 to 8, means your application will be locked, and on 8 you will get the allotment after 8 p.m. I will be informing you about each and everything. And also I will be updating you what will be the cutoff for next round, so that you will wait or join the other college, as you have got multiple options. And I will be guiding you for each and everything, not only for Manipal but for BITSAT, Comet K, BIT, AEEE, SRM, KIT, Thapar, Jack Delhi, Jack Chandigarh, MSCET, all counseling across India, as I am doing it from last 7 years. So hope you get my point. So first round will be done. Thereafter payment of first installment will be done from 8 to 15, that is 7 days time. Payment of balance will be done up to 20th, that is total fee you have to pay. And first year, and fresh registration on choice filling for second round will start from 17th to 18th, and thereafter second allotment will be done on that is on 20th after 8 p.m. And after that again payment and first and second installment will be done, and fresh registration will start before third round, and third round will be done on 30th June. And thereafter additional round, if any, 3 round they have announced, means 4 round also they will do, because earlier they said 4 rounds. So 4th, 5th, 6th round also they can do. That is announced, that will be announced at later. But one thing, it's your intra institute round that will be done for those students who have already admitted to a particular institute. You can change your branch, not the campus. So hope you get my point. Now counseling procedure: registration, choice filling, third is seat allotment, fourth is payment, fifth is provisional allotment, that is PAO or PAL, you can say, provisional admission letter, and wait listing. If you will not get the seat, you will wait list, and hostel booking. So registration fee is 10,000, that to be paid one time. Listen my word very carefully. This is very very urgent. Many YouTuber will tell you that every round you will have to pay 10,000. That is not the case. First round, if you pay 10,000, you will be eligible for all the rounds until unless you come out of the counseling process. How you will come out? Two way. One, you will withdraw. Second, even after getting the seat, if you will not pay the fee, you will be coming out of the counseling process. Then again, if you want to join the counseling process from next round or directly third round or fourth round, then you have to pay 10,000. Then only you will join, and this 10,000 will be forfeited. If you join the college, whatever you have allotted, this 10,000 will be adjusted in that. Hope you get my point. Everything has been written here. I know everything, as I'm doing it from last 7 years, so I know. So the registered amount of registration will be forfeited. Such candidate now be considered as exited. Means if you not pay the 2,90,000, then you will be exited and 10,000 will be forfeited. Second, in the respective round seat allotment, failure to make this within the timeline will lead to cancellation of allotted seat. Candidate will be out of the counseling and paid fee will be refunded as per the refund rule. Means suppose first fee you have to pay, you will pay first installment, second you will not pay, then first installment you will get refund and seat will be cancelled, you will be out of the counseling process. Choice filling is permitted every round for registered candidate only. First time choice filling, reference 1 is mandatory and 2 to 55 are optional. Means any one you should put and there is no limit on choice, you can put 1 or 55 also. So for example, here they have provided the information. If your second preference is mechanical at Jaipur, please number it at second. If third preference is electrical, then please put 3. So everything I know, I will provide you the choice filling list, how to fill those things so that you will get the best out of your rank, and whether you should take CSE in Bangalore or other branch in Manipal main campus, or you should go in Manipal or VIT or BITSAT or COMEDK or AEEE. There are multiple discussion will be done, and if you want just the doubt session, you can pay 499 only. Choice filling subsequent round you can do also, and thereafter unallotted a student. If you will not get any seat, you don't need to do anything. You can just change the choice for second round if you want to add more choice, and nothing to do. You don't need to pay anything because you will be automatically going for next round. Here, change choice changing by candidate taken for provisional admission based on JEE mains rank. Having paid the program fee when portal open for choice filling of subsequent round on MET rank, the choice filled in the previous round will be available for the candidate. Those students who have done the counseling with JEE score, those choice filling will be available. If you want, you can. If candidate do not make any changes, earlier choice filling will be used. If you want, you can change the choice also. So here is the information seat allotment, 2,90,000 as they have informed you earlier also. Program fee 2,90,000. Second fee as per the table. So table is here. Fee structure here you can check. First year fee is for chemical related branches 4,58,000 in Manipal main campus. Computer related 6,18,000. So 2,90,000 first, and remaining you have to pay 3,28,000 remaining after after the first installment, that is second installment. Another fee you can check sidewise, all the information is available here. Complete fee Bangalore fee here similar to main campus because syllabus and faculty both are same. Placement also will be same. In Jaipur campus a little bit less. Here you can check for computer it is around 19 lakh total, and thereafter you can go for Sikkim here you can check a little bit less. Dubai campus all in AED rupee, it is not in rupee, it is in dirham, so accordingly you have to pay. And these are the thing. Hostel fee per year in AED 24,000, double sharing, triple sharing 21,000 dirham. So these are the thing that you need to pay, and everything they have mentioned clearly. You can pay on this account. They have provided the account detail also, and once you get the allotment, they will again provide the account detail, that is through NEFT or RTGS. You can pay the amount, or you can pay through online net banking also. So these are the things they have mentioned everything clearly here. Intra sliding round means you can get the better branch in the same college. It will be done at last. So hostel information, after you get the seat, they will provide you hostel information. You can book it online. Means you need to go to college after everything. Before commencement of class, all withdrawal before class commencement will be made through candidate portal. Means online counseling where you are doing, through that you can do the withdrawal if you don't want the admission. But after class commencement, you after the class commencement must be made through submission online request first on this website, and then withdrawal from available at academic section of the admitted institute. Means in the college you have to apply. So everything is written here. Withdrawal for feature of waitlisted 10,000 if you will not take the seat after getting the seat, and cancellation of admission also they have provided. So everything fee refund is provided by totally UGC norm. Here they have provided. So fee refund is possible 100%, nothing to worry. Here they have provided the information also. Here you can check. As I told you, according to UGC guideline, they will provide you the fee refund. Here is the refund policy. Here you can check. That is 15 days or more before the class commencement. If you ask similar like to VIT, they will provide you 100% refund, and less than 15% they will provide again full refund. But if you ask any time after the class commencement or orientation without physical reporting at the campus, then they will you have to do online submission of request, physical reporting, online withdrawal form signed by the candidate and parents. Indian rupees 20,000 will be deducted from hostel fee. Balance fee will be refunded. Everything. And on or any time after class commencement orientation date earlier, which physical reporting to the campus will be provided by 20,000 deduction or deduction on the basis of monthly, whichever is more. So this is the UGC guideline. Hope you have got the complete information. Kindly contact me as soon as possible for complete guidance. Thank you.